Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you what to do if you have your pattern lock not recognized in your OPPO Reno 15. So, actually the first thing that you have to remember is that if you are 100% sure that you have your pattern lock correct and it is 100% sure, you can go to the authorized service, tell them the issue, that you need your data stored on your device, and you're inserting 100% sure your passcode, your pattern lock. If you're 100% sure, and they will do something about this. But if you're not, we need to do something else. So, to turn off our device, we don't need our pattern lock or passcode or anything. So just hold power and volume up and power off your device. When your device is powered off, hold the volume down and power. Now the only fix to have your phone working is, wait a moment, now lift your both fingers. Now when your phone is to have your phone working, you need to do a factory reset. A factory reset is a process that will delete all your data if this is not backed up. So that's why we do backups actually on our devices. And to do a factory reset, now we are in the recovery mode. Click click volume down to select English, and power to select here options. Here, click power on format data and rewrite here this code. Then your phone will be factory resetted if you click power again, and you'll be good to go. The only thing is that you will see the setup screen after that, and you need to just set up your phone as it is like brand new. The only difference is that you need to just log in to the same account that was previously logged in on this device. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.